Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your English lesson. Today, we're going to look at adverbs of frequency. So, let's see what these are. Okay. So, adverbs of frequency. What are they? When do we use them? What for? Well, we use them to say how often we do something. So today's learning objectives will be understanding the use of these adverbs, learning its grammatical structure in order to produce sentences using personal information, and then we're going to have a speaking activity, a pair word speaking activity, think about our and our classmates' habits. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click the link. We're going to do, watch a short video. Please go to conversation number 2. I also have it here and I can play it for you. Here we go. Okay, so back to our presentation. Being number 1 the most often and number 6 the least often. From 1 to 6, how often does she cook vegetables, Andrea? Number 2, okay. What about how often does she cook soups, Ricardo? 4, okie dokie, and stir fry? Okay, Alejandro. So not that often. No, that would be a number 5. Let's look at this inverted pyramid when we can see the adverbs of frequency and the percentages, more or less, of what they mean in frequency. Always 100%, usually 90%. Can you please help me reading the rest of them? Okay, so never is a 0. Okay, so let's look at the structure now. Adverbs of frequency always go before the main verb. I never smoke. What happens with the verb to be? That's the exception. Okay? The order changes. We first write the subject, then the verb to be accordingly, and then the adverb of frequency. Let's look at the example. I am always late. So always, it's our adverb, and late would be the complement. So what we're going to do right now is our new code activity. Please go to the following link and answer this brief quiz. It has 5 questions about your personal habits. There are no correct answers. Don't worry about that. I just need the data, okay? So we can continue our class. So please go to the link. Okay, we're back. Let's see, we have our results here. How often do you exercise? How often do you visit your family? Do you help with the housework? Do you watch TV series? And how often do you practice your English? Okay, I'm going to place this document in our chat so you can have the results and work with them. I need you to write down 1 sentence per question, at least 1 sentence. And here you go. It's already now in our chat. I'm going to give you 5 minutes and I'm going to call you back in a moment. Okay, let's see. Let's go to our whiteboard. What happened here? Let's look at some of your sentences. Okay, so Jorge wrote, Adriana and Ricardo often exercise. Very good. She occasionally visits her family. Okay, now pay attention here with the word occasionally. It has two spelling mistakes. You can tell me, who can point them out? Good, very good. Now, Jorge usually help with the housework. Okay, we have a problem with the verb here. And yes, I help, you help, he helps. So it's missing an S. Let's see what Alejandro wrote. We always watch TV series, correct English, and Jorge and Ricardo sometimes practice their English. Very good. Excellent work. Okay, let's move on. And what we're going to do now is our pair work, the speaking activity I told you at the beginning. So I'm going to break you in partners, and you're going to talk about your daily activities with your partner, and then you're going to be asked to report the frequency of his and her activities. I'm going to give you 6 to 7 minutes, okay? So I'll call you back in a moment. Okay, so we're back. So, okay, Andrea and Jorge. Tell me, Jorge, what did you learn about Andrea? Oh, that's nice. Okay, Andrea, what can you tell us about Jorge? Excellent. Okay, so we're done with all the pair work, and well, that would be it for today. Thank you for logging to class. Okay, and remember that learning a language is the key to unlocking the world. So thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Have a nice one. Bye.